Hi, welcome to this week's episode of Enlightened Digital. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Gaby. Today we're serving you a brief product review, Tech Edition. Did you guys know that you can buy a drone without burning a hole in your pocket?
That's right, we chased the dream of balling on a budget via Amazon for only $16. This Braha Skydrone X3 mini drone even came with a camera. Let's go over the pros and cons. Well, for starters, this bad boy was nearly impossible to get out of the box. Breaking a sweat to start flying counts as a con for me.
Definitely a con, and as for the camera, it did take some interesting video and picture footage, but there was really no rhyme or reason to when footage was actually being recorded. It kind of had a mind of its own, so definitely a con there.
So the drone can take flight, giving it its first marginal pro.
Or con, depending on who's flying it. The control's not great, but it works well enough to bother our staff, so overall we give this drone 2 stars.
While it wasn't the most functional, what'd you expect? HD footage, fighter pilot agility. Until next time.
See y'all!